खोलेंगे अब जानना है हमको, आँख खोलेंगे अब जानना है हमको, जानना है जिंदगी के सत्य को। फैलेगी तब रोशनी जब खत्म होगी ये अंधकार, फैलेगी तब रोशनी जब खत्म होगी ये अंधकार, तब जानेंगे हम अपने आप को बार बार, तब जानेंगे हम अपने आप को बार बार। नवरात्रि की शुभेच्छा आप सभी को। So the prominent story related to this Navratri is the battle between goddess Durga and Mahishasura. Goddess Durga and Mahishasura symbolizes, and they are the pictorial representation of the peace, happiness and the real truth of life, of our soul, of our body, that all happens in our life. Mahishasura, known as the vices, acts as the demon and goddess Durga as the divinity. She is the Devi. Here is the prominent story related to the truth of our life, to the real story of our soul. Ma goddess is the divinity and the demon Mahishasura represents the vices which all are present in our soul, in our body. These vices bring the Sada Ripu, the 6 enemies, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mado and Matsarya, which are very harmful for our life. ये हमारे जिंदगी को पूरा ही बर्बाद कर सकती है। परंतु नवरात्रि के दिन में हम अगर सुबह हर दिन उठकर हम प्राणायाम और योगा करें तो ये हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं। वो सुख, वो शांति, वो सम्मान, वो आदर जो हम सबको मिलेगा, वह सबसे अच्छा, सबसे बेहतर और सबसे अच्छा दिन, गुण या हमारा जीवन का सबसे अच्छा दिन रहेगा। The regularity that we will have of the peace and happiness with all the destroyment of the sorrow and anger will be a very peaceful thing. So the first one is Jagaran. Jagaran in our mind, in our soul, that is very important and needed for us. Jagaran means to meditate each and every morning by waking up early, and that will give us the Shiv Shakti that is invoked in this period. The Shiv Shakti helps us to achieve our goal, our success, and makes us happy throughout our day. But if we can do throughout the day, then why not of all our life? Let us take the vow. The second one is taking pledge or vow. We should take a vow that we will never be angry, we will never be sad, we will never follow Hingsa, but we will follow the path of Ahimsa. Did Ma Goddess really, did she do Hingsa because she is holding a Trishul in her hand? No, that's the symbol of killing all the sorrow and sadness of our body, of our soul, and bringing the peace and joy in our life. But it is not only needed for the 9 nights that is needed. Now here the question arises, why 9 nights? Why not days? Because रात को इसीलिए क्योंकि इस अंधकार, इस अज्ञान के अंधकार को जलाकर रोशनी लाना ही हमारे लिए सबसे अधिक चाहिए। इस अज्ञान को हटाकर हम अगर रोशनी के पाथ पर आए, तभी जाकर हमें सफलता मिलेगी, and that is the success of our life. When we find a peace and joyful, then could you imagine the real beauty of our life, the real beauty of our nature, the feeling for the environment, for the nature is very, very joyful. And the third one is Satvik. Satvik is not only taking veg, taking food that is free from onion and garlic, not only in the food, but also the peace and security in our mind, the power to respect, the power to love, the power to discern, the power to cooperate, and many other things are there. The 8 arms of Ma Durga represents the 8 powers, each each holding a weapon to kill the sadness and the sorrowness of the soul. These are the significance of Navratri. नवरात्रि हम इसलिए पालन नहीं करते कि हम बस एक मूर्ति को पूजा करें, हम इसलिए पालन करते हैं ताकि हम अपने अंदर सचेतन आए और we will be responsible for our duties, not only for the official works but also for our inner peace, inner discipline and inner mind. Then only we can gain the discipline which helps in the success of our life. Next is दिया, enlightening the दिया. एक माटी से बना हुआ दिया और एक जलता हुआ आग, क्या है वो? माटी का दिया है हमारा शरीर और जलता हुआ आग है हमारा जीवन, our soul, हमारा आत्मा. परमात्मा के आदेश पर, मतलब मनुष्य के आदेश पर ही जाकर ये दिया जलता है और परमात्मा के आदेश पर हमारा आत्मा जलता है. That is the power of love, respect, dignity and divinity that is present in ourselves. And if we meditate daily, there is the power within these 9 nights. The Shiv Shakti that is invoked in ourselves will help a lot and lot. So let us burn the diyas. Let us enlight the diyas with the power of love, cooperation, divinity, dignity and many more aspects of our life which are very important for not only us, for our society, for our environment and for our nature. The real regularity of doing meditation is the good life. Living a life is not only so easy. अपने जीवन को बचना इतना आसान नहीं है. मुश्किलों और कठिनाइयों को पार करके ही हम जाकर एक सफलता की राह पर चल सकते हैं. सफलता की राह पर चलने के लिए हमें कितनी कठिनाई पार करनी पड़ेगी वो हमें पता है. पर अगर हम सही रास्ते पर जाना चाहते हैं तो हमें स्वयं अपने आप को बदलकर सही रास्ते पर जाना चाहिए ताकि हम जाकर अपने मंजिल पर पहुंच सकें. And that is what we burn the diyas. We enlight the diyas for our enlightenment, for our knowledge, for the gaining of knowledge that we know ourselves. We know ourselves. Who are we? We are the divine soul. So let us celebrate this Navratri with a lot of joy, meditation and the peaceness of our life. Not only for these 9 days and nights, for the whole life journey. So thank you everyone. एक और बार नवरात्रि की शुभेच्छा.